thing I can say with certainty about this bottle is that it is the most drinkable of any filter bottle that I've tried. Like I've used the Catadine Be Free, Solomon XA filter, and some other like hard-sided bottles, including from Lifestraw. This one drinks really, really easily, which is exactly what you want. And it even just flows like that when you tip it over. So super nice. I love it. Whew. So it's worth mentioning that this is the first hike I've been on since testing negative for COVID, and I'm getting my absolute butt kicked. And this trail's basically completely flat. So for those of you also dealing with recovering from COVID, it sucks. Okay. Hey guys, it's John for Love of Gear Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the Lifestraw Peak Series water bottle. This is a pretty new offering from Lifestraw for trail running, backpacking, hiking. It's lightweight, robust, has a super high flow rate, and so that's really nice. So let's go ahead and dunk it and see what this is all about. One thing this bottle doesn't have that some other bottles have is a little like ring here so you can dunk it into the water and not get your hands wet. This doesn't have that. That's okay. What it does have is a really good flow rate. And that's just tipping the bottle over, barely squeezing it at all. It just flows right out. The filter is a hollow fiber membrane, just like everything else from Lifestraw. Really easy to back flush and clean on the fly. They're also replaceable. So let's take a look at these. The filter itself is really small, and yeah, got little gaskets in there. This actually does unscrew. Uh-oh. Probably need to clean that now, but yeah, so that unscrews from here. These are replaceable. You get several thousand liters of filtering. And then, yeah, so I mean, pretty simple, nothing to write home about, really. It just works extremely well, easy to drink from. There's no funky taste. Some early reviews of these claim that there's a bit of a funky taste. I didn't notice that. I washed mine out immediately, though. Yeah, 650 milliliters, perfect size for your trail run or your hike. And it's great, again, to fill up additional bottles on the go. So like when I'm running and I have a bottle with electrolytes and I need to add more electrolytes, it's plenty easy to just go ahead and fill it. So that's that. I look forward to using this on the trail. There you go.